In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your gig on Fiverr is active or not. We'll walk through it clearly so you know where to look and what each status means. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Fiverr in the search bar, then click the official Fiverr website in the results. If you aren't already, sign in to your seller account. You'll need access to your dashboard to see your gigs. Once you're on the site, look toward the top navigation and open My Business. From there, select Gigs. This brings you to your gig management page, where Fiverr organizes everything into sections. The section you care about first is Active. This is where all gigs that are currently live and discoverable by buyers appear. If your gig shows up here, it's active and visible, which means potential clients can find it in search and place orders. If you don't see a particular gig in the active section, that's your confirmation it isn't live at the moment. Before you worry, check the other sections on this same page because Fiverr groups non-active gigs by status. You might find it in draft, which means you started creating or editing the gig, but haven't published it yet. Drafts need to be completed and submitted before they can go live. You could also see the gig in pending approval. That indicates Fiverr is reviewing your gig, usually after you publish a new one or make significant updates. During this time, it won't appear as active, and that's normal. Just give it time to pass review. Another possibility is the denied section. Denied means the gig didn't meet Fiverr's guidelines, so it won't go live as is. If a gig is here, check the notice on the gig card or in your notifications to understand what needs to change before you try again. While you're on the page, switch between the tabs at the top to scan each status quickly. If you recently edited a gig and don't see the expected status, refresh the page and give it a moment. Updates can take a short while to reflect. And that's it. By checking the active section first and then reviewing draft, pending approval, and denied, you'll always know whether your gig is live and what to do next if it isn't. If